Yeah. This nigga D-Tone broke the bong, so we can't smoke no strong. Damn. But hey, I been blowing strong. Come on, baby, we can get it on. I heard them niggas don't like me. I heard them bitches wanna fuck me. Thought you was gonna be something, nigga, but no, you suck like you stuck. Yeah, I stay dedicated, hella medicated. Yellow bone, man, she hella faded. Get it on my own. I been working since the crack of dawn. I don't plan on coming home. That's why my girl be tripping on me. Boy, my shit like 500 degrees. Boy, I'm smooth like run around with skis. Game on lock, well, I got the key. Kick this shit, like last name is Lee. Wanted this shit back when I was a teen. Ever since then, I've been chasing the dream. Devil tryna stop me, Lord give me strength. I just really wanna ball with these niggas. Assisting your bitch, I'm like part of my team. Ay, I just really wanna Rolex. Less stress, give me more neck. All your flows, boy, they stolen. Dope ass music, we just rolling. Ain't nobody fucking waiting. We gon' make it from the basement. Nigga, ain't no replacement. I just gotta be patient, but I done did enough waiting. I just gotta be patient, but I done did enough waiting. Nigga, I ain't got no options. This right here is my office. Ay, all y'all niggas be rapping about nothing. My shit hard like a puff the dolphin. Ay, come on, show me some love. How they hate me when I gave them my trust. They just wanna see my name in the mud, but I just wanna see my name in the stars. So I don't give a fuck, I leave them behind. I want it all, I feel like it's mine. Shit to the top, I stay on my grind. Right back to work, ain't no wasting no time. True.